Can you tell me what you are studying and what made you go into that field?
Okay, before I talking about what I'm studying, I want to introduce myself before it. I am now currently working in BMKG. BMKG is Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency in Indonesia. Especially my division is in air quality division. As I'm living in a tropical area in Indonesia, it has become an interesting background why I want to know more about precipitations data, including the ground observation data, satellite data, or modeling data. But another aim in studying precipitation data is the importance of the data, especially for analyzing the changing in tropics precipitations related to climate change. But furthermore, in my daily operational work field, which the focal point is about air quality, precipitation data become one of prominent variables because both topics have a very close relationships. For example, at specific periods during the dry season in Indonesia, some forests located near the equator in Indonesia often have wildfire, a very huge wildfires. As we all know, wildfires events are highly related to air quality conditions. In this part, precipitation conditions also influence the air quality and influence the wildfires events. More research about air quality aerosols when wildfires occur are needed to get information of the aerosol's depth in atmosphere. Related to that, cloud formations will also affected or influenced by the existence of this aerosol. Because of the significant correlations about aerosol and rainfall, also cloud formations, I choose to get deep on studying about AOD or aerosol optical depth and convective cloud formation. In this GPM mentorship, I have studied more about the convective cloud formations and also about the rainfall, especially in the tropical area in Indonesia. Hopefully, from this study in the future, the results can be more impactful as they complement information when the wildfires occur, or as the basic policy consideration attribute to the air pollution of wildfires and the rainfall in the tropical area.
Wow, that sounds absolutely fascinating. And tell us, how do you anticipate that the work you will do is going to help people and our home planet in the future?
Hmm. Okay, as we know, all we know together that wildfire is one of the serious issues, not only in Indonesia, I think it's the global issues. The the impact of wildfires will also damage not only for the people, not only for the human around the area, but it's also impact for all the component in around the environment and also for the globe. And then the goal for this project is to help decision makers in my region to use the convective cloud formations, spatial rainfall data, and aerosol optical depth data as the policy consideration maybe to adapt and mitigate another wildfire potentials. By considering these informations, it will also be impactful to maintain the good air quality right for people around the wildfires area. However, it also possible that the next study about rainfall and also along with the aerosol will be useful to identifying the climate change in Indonesia as the tropical area.